So in this second part, we've still got August 2011. We're told to put a box around 9, 10, 16, 17. So that's just here. Choose two of the numbers and multiply them together. What's the product? Choose another pair, multiply them, and keep going. So I'm going to do the same sort of thing I did before. So let's look what happens with rows. So I've got 9 times 10 is 90, and then I've got 16 times 17. We're allowed a calculator, so let's just use it. 16 times 17 is 272. Then if we go for columns, we're going to do 9 times 16. I happen to know that's 144. And then we've got 10 times 17, which is 170. And we can also do the diagonals. So we've got 9 times 17. So let's do that on the calculator. 9 times 17, 153. And 16 times 10 is 160. Look at the results. What do we notice about the answers? Well, not much, to be honest, now. So what I'm going to do is move ahead to part 2, and maybe when I've got another set of results I might see something. So let's go for another block. Let's go for this block up here. And if we do the rows, then we've got 5 times 6 is 30, and 12 times 13, let's grab the calculator, so 12 times 13, it's 156. If we go for the columns, we've got 5 times 12, I know that's 60, and we've got 6 times 13, so 6 times 13 is 78. And if we then go for the diagonals, I've got 5 times 13, which I believe is 65, and 6 times 12, which I know is 72. Well, I can see something for the diagonals here. The difference here was 7, and the difference here was 7 as well. Now there is something about the differences with the rows and the differences with the columns, but I think that's too complicated for me to expect you to spot. If you can spot it, it's something to do with the differences and what multiple the differences are, then that's all well and good, but I wouldn't necessarily expect you to get that in the validation.